What's up, YouTube? Welcome back, Big Country Customs. Today I'm going to show you guys how I installed an interlock switch and a generator outlet on my house. So this was my first 50 amp plug I've ever done. First plug I've ever done. It was a little sketchy, but it was actually way easier than I thought it was. And trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. So let's get to it. First things first, let's talk about this interlock switch. I bought this off Amazon. I measured here and went off one of the pictures they had, and luckily I bought the right one. So all this does is keep power from backfeeding when the power is out and killing a line worker by making you turn this off before you can turn this on. After this is switched off, then you can just raise this up like that and flip that on because this will be out of the way. All right, let's get down to the nitty gritty. I got this outdoor 50 amp plug from Amazon. I think it was 40 bucks. I got the conduit from Lowe's, these clamps from Lowe's. It helps secure this because I can't put a screw-on clamp here due to it just going from point A to point B. I got a 6-3 wire. It was like $4 and something a foot, so that's how you know you got the right stuff, just to be safe. This wire had 3 6-gauge wires, a white, red, and black. I wired the red and black to the hot, and then the common, I believe, is here, which is the white wire. It screws into your side ground, and your regular ground wire I put on the opposite side because I think you're supposed to put it on the opposite side. So I mean, that's it. I'm not a skilled electrician, and that about sums it up. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Real quick, before this video wraps up, I just wanted to show you my generator. I wired this all heavy duty for this generator. It is a peak 12,500 watts, so you're going to want that 6-gauge wire. You don't need 6-gauge wire, 8-gauge wire, even 10-gauge wire, depending on the size of your generator will work. And a lot of people will put a 30 amp plug here if they don't have one this size. So just keep that in mind. Another tip: these up here are always hot. All of this above this breaker is always hot if this is turned off. So don't touch anything up there ever. It's always hot. That wraps up the video, guys. If you guys like this kind of content, hey, smash that like button. I'm going to be doing a AC test on the Westinghouse to see if it'll run my 3-ton pump very soon. Just waiting on my extension cord. If you like this kind of content, direct tool reviews and how-tos, I mean, hey, hit that subscribe button. It'd mean a lot to me. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I hope this video made sense to you guys. I just wanted to throw a quick one together to show you guys what I'm up to. All right, Big Country out. I hate you.